One way of recoloring this would be to use color drop to fill each shape individually, but I'd like to show you a simple way to recolor the layer, which also gets us set up to shade the lagoon. Opening up layers, tap on the lagoon layer, and this will bring up a side menu with a bunch of different options. Out of these options, we're going to choose Alpha Lock. And now it's a little hard to see, but the thumbnail of this layer has a checkered background with Alpha Lock turned on. This denotes transparency, and how Alpha Lock functions is that it locks all the transparent space on the layer, preventing anything from being drawn except where the artwork currently exists. And if you erase something from the layer, that also becomes protected transparent space. This can be a really useful tool for adding shade or texture to a layer. It can also be useful for recoloring an entire layer. So now that we have Alpha Lock turned on, we can fill the entire layer with color. So I'm going to tap once more on the layer to bring up the side menu. And from here, we're going to tap Fill Layer. And all at once, my layer is filled with color. Now I know it blends into the bottom here, but we're going to add some more colors on top that will increase the contrast and allow that to be visible. Now we've completed the lagoon portion of the composition. In the next lesson, you'll add the final element of the composition, clouds, and you'll learn about using the selection tool to make changes to a portion of a layer.